on human resource, right? Basically, it's going to lay out for you how the software or how the proposal would look like. Okay, so it gives you an outlook of basically what kind of infographics you should use. That's the word, infographics, sorry. And if, for example, you downloaded these, so I'm just going to take you to, I already downloaded those. This will take you to how it would look like, right? And how the infographics would look like. This is just amazing stuff, guys. If you looked at these infographics, man, they would blow your proposal out, blow your prospects out of the water. So that's the word I wanted to use. So it's going to open. I'm just going to show you how those would work. It's taking so long. Okay, so I'm just going to extract those in there. Okay, so when you look at, I'm just going to go to this PowerPoint templates because that's what I want to focus on. So when you look at these infographics, man, I'll tell you that we've got business before just by using these proposals. Why? Because they take away the untidiness of too much writing by replacing that with infographic tools or icons. And that's the beauty about this, that you can just carry this to the proposals that you're working on. If you're someone who's working on Adobe Suite, there's also a version for that. If you're someone who's working on Google Slides, if you're someone who's working on Google Docs, this can also work for you, right? But remember again, it's basically Infograpify. So when you go to Google, check out Infograpify. If you can buy it, I would recommend you buy a lifetime license. But if you're a rich guy, well, you can pay monthly. It's just my piece of advice that you buy a monthly, that you don't buy a monthly. Well, I'm not decampaigning the owners of the software, but